Outsourcing to the Philippines? Why would I do that? It seems so wrong. Before I started working in the online marketing world, I worked in manufacturing. I watched 3 jobs in a row get moved to other countries. Everyone I knew had a strong opinion about outsourcing. But then a few things happened. I read 4-Hour Workweek and thought that it was genius what the author had discovered. Then, while listening to a podcast, I learned about online jobs. The guys were talking about how hiring virtual assistants changed their business. I could get skilled help from people who wanted to do good work in exchange for providing them with an income that could change their lives. My experience in manufacturing helped me to understand that I need to hire talented people and have them master one task. The results have been phenomenal. I've been hiring people there for about 8 years. Since that time, I've hired about 20 different workers. I've hired assistants, social media marketers, project managers, developers, designers, motion graphics, a little bit of everything. They allow me to work on my business by bringing in new contracts, while they work in my business and get the work done. I get to spend more time with my family. We find new ways for our team to contribute to various projects. One of our recent projects was for the Church Studio, a historic recording studio owned by Leon Russell in the 70s. A lot of amazing artists hung out there, like Eric Clapton, Willie Nelson, Kansas, and more. Tom Petty signed his first contract there. My web designer happens to be a huge rock and roll fan and knocked it out of the park. I find people that love what they do. I don't think of my workers as just workers. I think of them as family.